Hello, I am Maria from Ecler Video, and today I will be presenting the newest products that we offer in Ecler Video. So let's start with Video over IP. Today, at the date, we have 4D with Dante and Full HD. So the new product that we offer is 4K without Dante. This video over IP system works as a matrix, as a delocalized matrix and asymmetric. So you can cover larger distances with this system. The brain of the system, it's mandatory to use the brain, okay? So if you don't have the brain, you can control the receivers and the transmitters of it. So to use it, you have to install a different firmware, one for the 4D and one for the CS. It's not compatible, retrocompatible between them. The other newest things that we offer are the matrices. We offer seamless matrices called MARS. We have MAR4 and MARS 8. MAR4 has 4 inputs, 4 outputs, and MARS 8, 8 inputs and 8 outputs. 3 modes of use. The first one would be routing the inputs and the outputs as all the matrices do. But what else can it do? It can also do video walls that, like the one that I have in front of me. But it's not limited to the screen that we have here. We can personalize the section of the screen that we want to have the video wall. So we can do a picture-in-picture, totally customizable. Also, we can do a multi-view. So we can select all the inputs and put them on a layout. So we have on the output all the inputs together. It also has an independent audio matrix like the other ones. And last but not least, a new matrix 16 by 16 HDMI. So you can complete all your systems with our newest products. Thank you very much, and don't hesitate to ask us or contact us through our webpage. Thank you.